What is up? It's your boy KH0, and today in the video we made a balloon dog. It came out like this. It was pretty fun and pretty cool. You should watch to the end. I used a pack of balloons and I used an air pump. If you don't have an air pump, I don't know, use your mouth, I guess, and enjoy the video. Okay, magicwing.com. Probably check it out, right? I want to learn magic tricks.
Hello, I'm Wayne, and
Hi,
in
Wayne.
this lesson I teach you how to make a balloon animal dog. Now there's lots of places where you can learn to make a balloon animal dog, but what I've tried to do differently here is to try and show you all the little nuances and all the little tips that will help you to be successful. In most of these lessons...
Alright, dude, so far, the jazz instrument on the back is really good. Like, I don't even know what he's saying. I'm just jazzing out to the jazz, dude.
People just whip right through and say, here's a dog, and I'm trying to do this step by step, so if you're just starting out, it'll help you to succeed.
Thank you,
Good
Wayne.
luck.
Will do. Wow, thank you. Inflate the balloon. That's what we got here.
Inflate the balloon with about an inch of
Okay, so we're just gonna inflate the balloon and leave about an inch now. Oh, I gotta move it all out the way for this. Now, hopefully the audio isn't fucking shitty. Can you not? What the fuck is going on? Oh my. It's not. Dude, that's not an inch, right? You didn't. Let me know that's an inch. Let me know when I get to the inch. Oh, I got it. Is that an inch? I'm putting it up to the screen, and that's not an inch. So we're gonna let some air go, right? Why is it not coming out the top? That's an inch. We're gonna go with that. We're gonna tie the balloon animal. Let me show you how to tie this. You first, have enough rubber, and you twist it around your finger like this, and then it goes underneath like that. No.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're
Bitch. Ugh, damn it. It's fine, whatever. Let's just do that again. We almost had it too. I just had to do it right. Oh gosh darn it. Alright. Take two. Fuck, it broke. It broke. Oh shit. We're just gonna have to work with it, right? Alright, let me know. Let me know when it's inch again. Is that an inch? Oof. That's like a lot more than an inch. Gosh darn it, I mean.
they ask you how you are, you just
I haven't even gotten to the rest of the video. We're only 50 seconds in. Is that an inch? I can't. I'm gonna look at the camera. I don't know. Alright, we're gonna go with that's an inch. Not like all the air's trapped over here. I can't get enough rubber, alright? Whatever, we're just gonna my hands are slippery too. This is not the best circumstance to be doing this. I twist it first, I guess. I don't have enough space. Oh, it's too much air in here, that's why. There we go. Now I'm not gonna show you how to tie it again because last time you saw what happened when I do that again. That was very depressing. Step number 1 is done. We inflated the balloon. Just keep going.
Inflated end.
Make the dog. Okay, you inflate the balloon, you make the dog. 2 steps, really easy.
Make your first basic balloon twist between 2 and 3 inches. Remember to hold the basic twist before you move on.
Okay.
Hold it right there. Make a second balloon twist about 1 inch in length. This will start the ear, and you can make a second one that matches the first. You're ready to make your first lock twist. What you're going to do is grab these 2 segments that are going to represent the ears and twist them like this.
I got them. Oh, okay. Easy.
Now you'll have the head of the dog. Make another balloon twist about 3 inches in length.
Okay.
Remember to hold. Now I'm going to show you this next part in a more streamlined way. It will be just like the ears, but we're going to make the legs again in a faster way. So experiment with this if you like. Make a basic twist.
Alright, I will.
That forms the front leg, first front leg. Now bend the balloon over. Just like with the ears, you're going to twist right here. But instead of having a twist made in this section, you're going to actually make the twist on the fly as you make the lock twist. It's going to be a little harder, but you'll see how this works. So all you do is grab here and twist.
I did it!
Now you have the front end of the dog. All that's left now is to make the 2 back legs, which is pretty much a repeat of the head and the front legs. Make a balloon twist here, maybe about 2 inches.
Okay.
Make a second balloon twist here that represents or matches the front legs in general. And now, just as we did before, we're going to fold it, grab it, and now we're going to twist here to make the lock twist. And finalize our dog balloon animal. Anyway,
Were you guys following along? Because I thought I did it right. 2 inches, and then you grab another one over here, and then you bring it down, and then you. That's basically a dog, right? I mean, wow. Okay.
balloon animal dog that you're happy with. Keep practicing, and someday you'll be twisting just like a pro.
I'm happy with him. Wow, okay, cool. Well, that went a lot easier than I expected, to be honest. I am pretty proud of the balloon that came out. We'll leave this guy here so you guys can see him. If you enjoyed this really cool short video, I did. I actually learned something. Just, I don't know, go ahead and like, comment, you know, subscribe. Do it too. Follow along with me. And there's going to be a lot more gaming content gaming content. There's going to be a lot more gaming content on this channel. And then mixed in with some of these weird, just for fun videos. If you want to follow along, you can follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. And then you can also subscribe here if you want. And that's again. So, laters, I guess.